It's this time of the year that we have trick or treat, and we gotta put this the correct way. This is the knife you've been waiting for. It is the Kizer Trick or Treat Little Grand knife, and it comes in this awesome looking box. And this box is just amazing. It is just beautiful. I really like how this box actually looks like, and it says Happy Halloween on this side, nothing on this side, and it says Kizer on this side over here. And you flip and switch to the smiley face of pumpkin or Kizer itself. Wow, this is hot. This knife is the one you've been looking for if you're looking for a small little EDC knife that is not going to take too much space, and it looks so good. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this up close and personal so you can see if this is the right knife for you. So first of all, right here you can see the smiley face. Wow, this looks so good in every sense of the way. Next thing about this is that the smiley face smiles right at you. On the other side, we have another smiley face. Now, the best part about this, that this smiley face is not just a smiley face. This is engraved right into the knife itself. It's not just some artwork. It's going to stay there. And that's what you actually want in an actual knife. Next thing, we are not done yet. It says Trick or Treat on this side right here. Very small letters, and on this there is a smiley face. Now this is an interesting Kizer knife because there is nowhere that I see that it says Kizer on it, which is very unusual because there is no branding. Now we know all that this is a Kizer knife. What we don't know is that I really like this direction. The direction of the knife not telling you what brand it actually is, which makes it really unique looking Kizer knife. No brand on the knife. Was this a mistake? Was it on purpose? Was it something that they just decided not to put on it? Or is this a new direction they're heading? I like it, regardless of the reason. Now, this is really nice metal. I like the way it actually feels. For a small pocket knife, this thing feels so good. And the next thing about this is that, understand, this is slip joint. Maybe the only downside of this knife, the mechanism of opening and closing is a little bit on the primitive side. You have to grab this right here. You have to put your hand right there, and you have to just force your way to close this down. This might be the only downside of this knife, and opening it the same thing. You can't flick this thing. It is just a regular pocket knife that says Trick or Treat. But it's one of those classic looking pocket knives too, because it's so small, it's going to fit just about anywhere. Talking about fitting, it fits in the palm of your hand. It is one of those small little knives, and when it comes to gadgets, small knives, this one is the king. It's small and really nice. Now there is another way for you to open this. There is this thing right here, right on the side. You can see it right here. It's not the best of ways to open this, but you can grab it right there with your fingertips and try to open this up. It is a two-hand knife to open, two-hand knife to close. Just keep this in mind when you're getting this to understand what you're dealing with. And the second thing is pretty thin right here. Looks really good. And the metal, it goes all through inside here. This is not TSA safe knife. Keep this in mind. Don't take this to the airport. It will get confiscated. And it looks really slick. Look at the construction here. Metal. Really nice handle. What is the handle here? Let's check it out. Now, the Little Grand is the name. It is designed by Jonathan Stiles in natural V blade. It is black HVD coating, aluminum and carbon fiber handle. And it's 2.5 of an inch long. So those are the specs. In case you are wondering what are the specs for this knife, it is a small, handy, little pocket knife. It is, and it doesn't weigh too much. This is the knife you are getting if you're giving this as a gift. This is a giftable knife for somebody who likes knives and needs a small knife. This is not a knife for most EDC purposes. This is at most 8 out of 10. The reason why it's 8 out of 10 because it is unique. It is a good knife. I really like the way it looks and everything else, but there is so much limited use in this knife, and not EDC knife because it just doesn't have the ability for you to open and close one hand and to use it. But when it comes to the beauty, the looks, the collectible factor, it's all in this knife. It really is. I really like this jab. It is small, it is beautiful, it is just nice. It feels so good to hold this in your hand, and when you buy this, you'll be like, I'm getting some quality thing. It feels like such a quality. I like the black look to this. The handle feels really smooth, really well done. This knife feels like an expensive knife. It doesn't feel cheap, and the same exact time it looks so good. Now let's go ahead and zoom this in as close as we can so you can see how nice this actually looks like, and it looks really nice. This knife has the looks to it. It has the beautiful shape to it. It has so much going for that knife itself that you'll be wondering, why didn't I buy this before? Why didn't I get this before? There was just no reason, no excuse, and why this knife should not be in your collection. If you haven't bought this before, you probably are missing the whole entire point, because this knife is just awesome. It is so cool. Wow. So what are you waiting for? Like, if you're waiting and you're thinking, should I get this or not? Keep this in mind. Trick-or-treat knives go fast. They get sold out. You'll never ever be able to buy one again. So buy this exclusive knife before it gets sold out.